Welcome to George Brown College's Center for Construction and Engineering Technologies, or CCET for short. This is a 360 video, so you can rotate the camera in any direction. Alright, ready? On with the tour. And I'm James, your 360 tour guide. Excited to show you around. Let's go. First stop, the concrete lab. Here, you get to physically handle materials and watch building concepts come to life. The lab is an amazing space for the experiential learning that GBC provides right from the start. Pouring, mixing, making, and then performing geotechnical engineering tests. It's learning experiences that you will truly never forget. Our professors are experienced industry professionals and have a lot of valuable insight to help us achieve our career goals. All CCET programs include hands-on learning. GBC understands industry needs and supports student learning in a real-world setting. The Smart Welding Lab is an amazing example of applied learning with state-of-the-art equipment. Look around and notice that we have 26 individual welding stations and 2 virtual welding machines. Each welder gets direct access to its own station and works with industry-leading tools. Let's head to the refrigeration lab. This space provides a safe, first-hand introduction to a variety of different commercial and residential systems. Students become familiar with a variety of tools in a modern facility that enables an effective learning experience so that you can feel ready and confident going out into the real world. Whether you wish to start your own business or work in the industrial, commercial, or residential sectors, GBC will support you through your journey. Well, that about sums it up. Hope you enjoyed your virtual tour. Be sure to reach out if you have any questions. We are here for you.